While the 2025 Volvo XC90 hasn't seen a full redesign in a decade, it continues to captivate as a top choice among mid-size luxury crossovers. A fresh styling and interior update set to arrive in the first quarter breathes new life into this beloved model, ensuring its appeal remains strong. The B5 and B6 powertrains in the 2025 Volvo XC90 benefit from a 48-volt electric motor for added efficiency and smoothness. The B5 delivers 247 horsepower from its 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, while stepping up to the B6 boosts output to an impressive 295 horsepower. For those craving serious power, the 455 horsepower plug-in hybrid T8 transforms the XC90 into a performance-focused SUV. Regardless of trim or powertrain, every XC90 comes equipped with all-wheel drive and a refined 8-speed automatic transmission. On the road, the XC90 offers confident handling with accurate steering and a well-weighted feel that strikes a perfect balance between lightness and heft. While it does lean a bit in corners, typical for SUVs in this class, it remains composed and enjoyable to drive. The good news? The refreshed XC90 addresses this with a revised base suspension that incorporates updated dampers, designed to better absorb harsh impacts and deliver an even more polished driving experience. Volvo estimates that the refreshed XC90 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 7 seconds, offering respectable performance for a luxury SUV. For those opting for the plug-in hybrid T8 powertrain, the 14.9 kilowatt-hour battery delivers an EPA-estimated 33 miles of electric driving per charge. While it doesn't support DC fast charging, it can be conveniently recharged at home or using Level 2 public chargers. The XC90's drive modes add extra versatility, allowing drivers to save the battery's charge for later or even recharge it on the go using the gas engine. In terms of fuel efficiency, the XC90 remains competitive. The 247 horsepower B5 powertrain achieves an EPA estimated 22 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway, while the more powerful 295 horsepower B6 powertrain offers ratings of 20 miles per gallon city and 26 miles per gallon highway, whether you prioritize hybrid efficiency or traditional powertrains. The XC90 delivers a well-rounded package of performance and practicality. The XC90's interior is a masterclass in refined simplicity, showcasing a sleek design and premium materials that exude warmth and sophistication. With flexible seating options for 5, 6, or 7 passengers, it accommodates a variety of needs, though the third row is better suited for shorter trips, as adults may find it cramped on longer journeys. Technology takes the XC90's appeal to the next level. Early 2025 models feature a stylish 9.0-inch tablet-like touchscreen, while the refreshed versions upgrade to a stunning 11.2-inch display for a more immersive experience. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster is standard across all trims, with an optional head-up display for added convenience. The infotainment system runs on Google's Android Automotive platform, ensuring smooth navigation with Google Maps and voice assistance via Google Assistant. For iPhone users, standard Apple CarPlay ensures seamless connectivity. Audiophiles will be delighted with the XC90's sound system options. The standard 10-speaker system with a 220-watt amplifier provides excellent audio quality, but those seeking a more premium experience can upgrade to the 600-watt, 14-speaker Harman Kardon system or the top-tier 1,410-watt, 19-speaker Bowers and Wilkins setup. Combining luxury, advanced tech, and superb audio options, the XC90's interior is as modern as it is inviting. If towing is on your agenda, whether it's boats, trailers, or other gear, keep in mind that not all XC90 models can handle the maximum 5,000-pound tow rating. Only the versions with the 295 horsepower B6 or 455 horsepower T8 powertrains have that capability, while the base 247 horsepower B5 powertrain tops out at £4,000. As for pricing, the 2025 Volvo XC90 is expected to start around $58,695, with top-tier trims and options pushing it up to $81,000. What do you think about the 2025 XC90? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you're enjoying our content, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest cars and trends.